In this video we're going to demonstrate how to fit this set of upgrade LED rear lights into this Golf Mk7.
The kit includes 4 lights, both inner boot lights and outer quarter rear lights. They are completely plug and play. Everything is pre-wired, so they plug directly into the loom on your vehicle, so there is no need to alter any wiring.
This rear light set has an adapter loom to fit the wiring on the Golf Mk 7.5.
The kit also includes built-in resistors.
So let's get started. We will first of all start to remove the outer rear lamp unit. Inside the boot you will see this small flap. If you pull this flap back you will then see a clip. This just needs to be unscrewed and twisted out. Once the clip is removed, the rear light can simply be pulled out. You might need to wiggle as there is locating lugs. To unplug the light assembly from the wiring loom, you will see this red toggle. Pull it out and then press the black tab in. The wiring loom should then pull apart. Let's remove the inner boot light. Remove the black plastic access cover and also unplug the wiring loom to the rear lamp. You need to pull the toggle and then press the tab in. You can simply then pull the wiring plugs apart. You will need to now remove both 8mm nuts and then you can remove the rear lamp. So when installing the new rear lights, you will see there is an extra wiring loom. Now this is just a link wire which links the inners and the outers together. This allows the dynamic flowing indicator to run through both inner and outer rear lamps. So as this video is just a quick demonstration to show you how these lights are fitted and how they look, we're not removing all the boot trims. So what we need to do is feed the wire from the rear lamp, which needs to run up and along the edge of the boot. Peeling back any rubber seals and just tucking them behind should be sufficient. What we then need to do is feed it through the rubber wiring loom gaiter. Then we will need to pull down the plastic trims around the boot lid. So once you've fed the wire through, just plug it straight into the new lamp unit where the bullet connectors are. So now you should be at a stage where the link wire is in position. So let's get the outer boot light fitted first. So plug the wiring back into the wiring harness on the vehicle. Don't forget to plug in the extra wiring loom which you've fed around. There is a wiring loom which comes in the kit. You may need this, you may not. This is just dependent on what year your vehicle is, so the light kit does both year ranges. Insert the lamp unit back into position, pushing it firm so it's nice and snug and all lined up. And then you can reinstall the rear lamp retaining clip. So to install the rear lamp in the tailgate, these can take a little bit of manoeuvring. Once that's in and in place, again, just reinstall both 8mm nuts. Plug in the wiring loom adapters into the lamp units and also reclip the other end of the yellow wire into the inner lamp. Reinstall the access panel and that is the lamps complete. So let's have a look how these lights illuminate.
This rear light set is fully E-marked, road legal and MOT compliant. This is a really simple upgrade you can do at home. Please see the links below in the description if you would like to purchase these. This will direct you to our eBay store or our website.